everyone, this is Srivarshini and I am the host of this YouTube channel. I am from Tirupati, India. So coming to our YouTube channel, we will be discussing about stress management in our daily lives. Nowadays, stress has become a common problem to everyone. So, how to overcome from this? To know the solution of this question, I would like to introduce you the stress management specialist, Mr. Venkat Raju sir from Dubai. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi Sri, how are you? Nice to see you back. As you asked, presently every individual has stress. That can be education, marriage life, interpersonal, etc. I am planning to start education through YouTube channel. The channel name will be Stress Management. Being a multi-talented, I can guide people to come out of stress and lead the best life, one and only this life, with lifestyle modifications.
Stress, stress, stress. What is this stress? Is this stress good or bad? People are under many kinds of stress like education, studies, further studies, marriage, interpersonal, getting into a job, not having children, health, wealth and retirement. So what is your opinion on this, sir? On the topic of stress management, I would like to ask you a few questions.
Talk therapy has very good results for stress management. Many people are leading better lives after talk therapy. Our first video will be about stress and how to take care during corona pandemic. There are about 15 topics that will be covered. Yes, stress is boon. It is very helpful in the past to escape from dangerous animals like tiger and save life with the help of adrenaline. At present, stress is useful for achieving targets. Also, some people they can manage without stress. And there are people with stress, they are happy with stress. Some people, their stress is on for 24 hours. They live with it.
Sir, what is adrenaline?
Humans, when we see a dangerous animal, a hormone secreted by adrenal glands that increases heart rate, blood circulation, breathing and metabolism, and it prepares muscles for exertion and activates targeted organs to run and save life. Biochemicals produced by body organs. Adrenaline is a combination of a biochemical to activate organs and escape from the situation. Before we understand stress and its mechanism, we need basic understanding about our body mechanism. The human body is great biochemical factory, nothing to compensate. Biochemicals like vitamins, hormones, enzymes.
What are those three main functions? Can you tell us?
With the three main functions. Those are 1. Electrical conduction system, heart function and neural network communication in the body. 2. Kinetic mechanism. The heart muscle continuously contracting till death. It is a great magical mechanical muscle. 3. Blood flow is called hemodynamics. Electrical conduction system, neural network in our body and communications by sodium, potassium, magnesium, epinephrine, atropine. The kinetic mechanism by dopamine, circulation is by heparin. Yeah, Sri, there are two types of stress. One is positive and another one is negative stress. Positive stress will save your life and useful to achieve targets. Negative stress like depression will deteriorate your life impacts on your organs like kidney, liver, heart, and brain. It leads to disease or dysfunction.
Sir, what about health?
Sri, about our health. People who are leading good lifestyle, not having unnecessary stress, will have very good health. But nobody can help those natural disasters like viral infection, present situation with coronavirus.
Sir, do you have any suggestions for people for present situation with coronavirus?
Sri, as you know, present situation, the worldwide with coronavirus, we have to be very careful and save our lives as well as family and friends and all human beings. And every human being, we have to follow some guidelines given by healthcare providers, or just from state CM, country prime minister, or a president. That is how we can save ourselves. We have to learn from our mistakes. People experienced in Europe, Middle East, and USA. Stay home and avoid transmission of the virus. During this time, do not touch any objects like escalators, lift buttons, flat surfaces like tables and shopping carts in shopping malls, or any other objects like touching objects in metro trains and public transports. Avoid handshaking. Maintain social distance at least for 1 meter to or a 3 feet distance. Hand washing is mandatory. Till we hear good news, corona is no more. Do not touch any objects on escalators. Side railing also.
Ajay, we have to have self-confidence. For that, we have to take care of ourselves. That means self-care. Particularly when you are going out and coming into your home, we need to follow some techniques. It's very small. You will be taking care of yourself as well as you get confidence on you. This is very much important at the present situation for coronavirus. Now let me show you how I am taking care by myself. Self-care. So every day when I am going out, I am taking 4 tissue papers from the tissue roll. Let us take 2 and tear it off and make it 4. And keep them in a folded in your pocket. And I'm keeping 1 here. These 3 I'm keeping in my pocket so that it will be useful when I'm coming back. And let me show you, this mask is a double layer and washable, and once we wash it, we can dry it up and we can reuse. This is how just wear the mask. It is regular. Since I am going out, I am using this glove. And I am taking my mobile phone. I keep it in silent mode. I don't want to be disturbed by anybody. It is not important for me. Just I'll keep it inside. And now I am going to go outside and I am going to use the lift, and then I am going to come back to my home. I'll show you how I am following this technique. These techniques will provide you a self-care as well as self-confidence. That is more important. I don't even believe my handle itself. So I am touching this tissue paper. And my door is most of the time it is kept open till I come back. And then when I come to the lift, I use the tissue paper, touch it. I come back to my home. So I am touching with the same tissue paper to the ground floor, closing the door. And see this tissue I am not touching anywhere, nor even my gloves. This is how we have to protect ourselves. Once you follow this technique, definitely you will have self-confidence on you. And let us see how we can use this tissue. I use the same side. I open this. Same side. When I come back, I use the same thing. Okay?
Okay.
Not from this side. Only one side I am using for touching all. This method I am following for the last 2 months, and I am really confident what I am doing, and I am safe. Just go. Now I just see how I remove this. I am not touching anything. I touch the glove like this. And then put 2 fingers inside. Don't touch from outside. And then throw in the dustbin. This dustbin is meant for only safe mechanism. And how to remove this dust? There is one more term. Yes. Put your fingers from the bottom. And seal it from this side. And throw without touching anything. And now how to put the new one. It's ready. Always some bags inside. And open fully and cover it. See, it is covered outside also. So that next time when you take it, you can take it without touching. This is how you have to touch. And this dustbin is just near to my door. And the door I am touching with my hands now because I already used all the things and I throw everything outside. And I am coming with safe control.
Daily I am taking tea with fresh ginger and honey for 3 times in a day. But do not use ready-made tea bags. Make it always fresh. Keep eating fresh make food. Please reduce use of refrigerator. In 60s and before, we were not having refrigerators. Those days, people were eating only fresh food and cooked food and boiled more than 100 degrees of centigrade, not half boiled. the present lifestyle and their personalities of human beings. There are 5 categories. 1. Money centered. 2. Fame centered. He likes social status and social services. 3. Family centered. 4. Enjoyment centered. 5. Devotional centered. Any of irregularity will create stress, anxiety, anger, depression, jealousy, ego, panic. If somebody fails all above, they go into depression and suicidal symptoms will start.
Then, what about life?
Shall we discuss this in the next session? Because people will not be happy to see more time. At the same time, when they watch this video in mobile phones, they will have stress on battery level and mobile data.
To know more, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. That was a wonderful session with you, sir. So let us meet in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe.